Welcome to Well's Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I'm come up with a very simple Goan style chicken chili or chili chicken without sauce. This is chili chicken, not in Chinese but in Goan style. We say chicken chili fry also, chicken chili also. So let's start. What we need is one bay leaf. I've taken around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10 to 11 peppercorns, then 2 cardamoms green, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of cloves. So this is the whole masala. Then we need some, I've taken 1 green pepper, that is capsicum or shimla mirch what we call, 2 green chilies because it is chili fry. So 2 green chilies, you can put more. 2 big onions finely chopped, 2 tomatoes finely chopped, and here comes some lime, fresh lime which I've cut. I'll be using the juice. And this is 1/4 kg boneless chicken which I have cooked and sauteed with masala. So let's start. So I did 1 tablespoon of oil, and in this I will fry this whole masala. So for my chicken, when I cook this, I already marinated my chicken with ginger garlic paste, okay, and little bit of chili powder. So if you are using the whole chicken and then you are making it like a fresh chicken, like uncooked chicken, then please add ginger garlic paste when you are sauteing it. So now this is nicely this. Let's fry onions. Once it turns to pink, we'll add our tomato. Now we'll add our tomatoes to this and green chilies. At this point, we'll add some lime juice to this. So I'm taking 1 lime juice. Now we'll add some masala, that is dry masala, and the main is our turmeric powder and coriander powder. So this is 1 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. That's it. And my homemade Kitchen King masala. I will share you the link. That is around 1 teaspoon. It's like a Kitchen King all-purpose masala. You can use it for veg and you can use it for non-veg. And if you don't have that homemade and you don't want to make it, then you can always get it on the shop, Everest Kitchen King masala. Now I will add little bit of chicken stock. I don't want much. So that is Goan chicken stock. You can add fish stock also. And we'll add our salt to taste. Let's mix this. And the onions and everything is nicely soft. Now we'll add our capsicum and the chicken. I will cover this and simmer this only maybe for 5 minutes and it's done. And it's done. Garnish it with fresh coriander leaves and serve. Put off the gas and it's served. So hope you will enjoy this chicken chili fry in Goan style. Thank you so much.